Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best evaporative cooler switch is probably one of the most underrated gadgets for staying cool and comfortable. It's a simple device, but it can make a huge difference in your home's climate control. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of evaporative cooler switches, exploring their features, benefits, and helping you find the perfect one to keep you chill. Number 5. Dial Manufacturing 3.4 HP Evaporative Cooler Motor. This motor is made by Dial Manufacturing. It's a 3.4 HP motor designed for evaporative coolers. It ensures efficient cooling performance. The motor operates on 115V and features 2 speeds. This allows for adjustable cooling based on your needs. It provides flexibility and control. This motor is designed for optimal performance in evaporative coolers. It helps to keep you cool and comfortable. It's a reliable choice for your cooling needs. This motor is built to last. It's made with quality materials for long-lasting use. You can depend on it for consistent performance. The motor is designed for easy installation. It's a straightforward process, saving you time and effort. Get your cooler up and running quickly. What we like. This motor is a workhorse, built to last and keep your cooler running smoothly. It's a dependable choice that won't let you down. If you're looking for a straightforward, reliable motor to get the job done, this is the one for you. What people say. It came with some easy-to-read instructions on the wiring portion and it fit perfectly in the existing cradle the old motor came out of. Dial makes a great motor that is easy to install. The instructions that came with the motor were quite good, 2 pages on white paper for English and a duplicate on blue paper in Spanish. I really liked how the 4 color-coded wires, this is the 2-speed model, were of the same thick quality as the ones in the old motor. Number 4. Honeywell Home ECONOswitch 7-day Programmable Switch. Add convenience and customization to your home with this switch. It allows you to easily control your lights and other devices. This device helps you save both time and energy. Scheduled programming allows it to turn your home lights and motors on and off automatically. You can schedule motor-operated appliances such as ceiling fans, bathroom fans, and pool pumps. It works with all your home lighting too. Easily program up to 7 on and off schedules per week. The 3-button interface makes programming simple and straightforward. It is compatible with various types of lighting, including LED, CFL, incandescent, halogen, and fluorescent. It's suitable for both outdoor and indoor use. Installation is painless and straightforward, saving you time. Just remove your existing switch and install this one. Remember to cut power at the circuit breaker first. You can manually control your lighting or let it run automatically. It offers flexibility to suit your needs. What we like. This switch lets you set up a schedule, so you can automate your cooler's operation. It helps you save on energy bills by turning devices on and off automatically. If you want to effortlessly manage your cooling and other appliances, saving both time and energy, then you should consider this. What people say. It is a marvelous piece of work. Installation only took me about 10 to 15 minutes for each one. The programming was relatively simple, as they come practically pre-programmed. Number 3. Hessaire MC37M3100 CFM Evaporative Cooler. Introducing the Hessaire 3100 CFM Cooler. This portable swamp cooler is designed to combat heat and dryness. It extends air coverage through its unique 3-panel intake system. Adapt to any environment with this portable evaporative cooler. This fan ensures continuous water flow for 3 to 4 hours, delivering excellent cooling. It fits comfortably in any space. Say goodbye to complex controls with this user-friendly design. This outdoor cooling fan is easy to operate. Just fill, plug, switch, and enjoy. Molded with lightweight polypropylene resin, this cooler reduces refills thanks to its 10.3-gallon tank and 80% larger evaporation surface. Its delivery system reduces noise and vibrations. Hessaire has been a trusted name in cooling solutions since 1996. They focus on innovation and energy efficiency. It delivers reliable, low-noise evaporative air coolers without compromising quality. What we like. This cooler provides excellent cooling performance with its 3-panel intake system. It's designed for easy operation, so you can set it up and enjoy the cool air immediately. If you need a powerful and easy-to-use cooler for your home or workspace, this is a great choice. What people say. This cooler really does blow out cool air. I was surprised and delighted. The wheels glide across the concrete floor with ease, and the drain is easy to plug and unplug. When we turned it on, we could tell how powerful it was. It takes 4 gallons of water. But, when you turn the fan on with the pump, the air coming out was very cold. Almost like a refrigerated unit. It cools the entire room down to the point I have to turn it down because it gets too cold. That is without adding ice or anything like what my Breezewell was recommending. You can put ice in it, but you do not need to. Maybe I will try that on the hotter months. This AC is strong and has strong fan that blows the air out. Number 2. Dial Manufacturing 7112 Cooler Wall Switch. This package includes everything you need. It comes with the wall switch, mounting screws, and a clear wiring diagram. It's designed for easy installation and use. When used with single-speed motors, only 4 of the 6 switch positions are utilized. This ensures optimal performance and efficiency. It's a smart design for your convenience. The rotary switches are UL-recognized components, ensuring safety and reliability. This means it meets the highest industry standards. You can trust its quality. The package includes all necessary mounting screws and a detailed wiring diagram. This makes the installation process straightforward. You'll have it up and running in no time. The package includes mounting screws and a wiring diagram. This ensures you have everything needed for a quick and easy setup. It's all about making your life easier. What we like. This wall switch is easy to install, coming with all the necessary components. It's a reliable and recognized component. If you need a simple, reliable switch with everything you need included, this is the perfect option. What people say. The switch is easy to install. It works perfectly. The product is exactly what I needed. Number 1. Emerson 1F51N 619 Mechanical Thermostat. This is the Emerson 1F51N 619 thermostat. It's a mechanical, single-stage thermostat designed for evaporative cooling systems. It offers reliable temperature control for your home. The thermostat provides one cooling stage and does not offer a heating function. It's perfect for climates where cooling is the primary concern, ensuring a comfortable environment. You can easily switch between different modes. Choose Cool for active cooling, Vent for fan-only operation, or Off to turn the system off completely. It gives you full control. It allows you to select either high or low fan speeds. This feature lets you customize the airflow to suit your preferences and the needs of the space. The temperature range is from 55 to 95 degrees Fahrenheit. It provides a wide range of temperature settings to keep your home at the perfect temperature. What we like. This thermostat gives you straightforward control over your cooling system. It allows you to select fan speeds and set your desired temperature. If you prefer a simple, easy-to-use thermostat for precise temperature control, then you should consider this. What people say. Easy to install. Works great. The switch is exactly what I needed. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.